most people who have to live paycheck to paycheck only have 1 or 2 streams of income. So today I want to take you guys through the 7 different streams of income that I'm receiving that help me to earn over $10,000 each month.
Hi, I'm Cassandra Barney with ProfitGuru. I'm a teacher, mother of 3, and Amazon FBA seller. Here at ProfitGuru, we're dedicated to trying strategies out and continually improving our own software to help other Amazon sellers just like you.
Welcome back to the channel, friends. Today I want to tell you exactly how I'm making money each month, because I remember it was not that long ago that I was in my 20s and I was living paycheck to paycheck, to the point where I remember one time over the summer, it was before work was back in progress because I'm a teacher, and I was invited to a party with all of the teachers who were coming back together in just a few weeks to school. Well, we were all supposed to bring something to that party, and I did not even have enough money in my account to buy something to bring. So I literally had to go through my fridge and just find what was already in there because I had no more money until payday. That is literally one of the worst feelings. But it's hard because in order to have more money, most jobs you have to trade your time for your money. So that's why most of the streams of income on my list, you'll see that I don't have to trade my time to get that money back. Yes, some of the jobs require more time than others, but there are ways to not have to sacrifice your time, because I get it. Most people will say, well, I'm already working a full-time job and a part-time job. How could I possibly have any more hours in the day to pick up a third job? Well, sometimes you can make money while you're not doing anything or while you're even sleeping. So let me walk you through the 7 different ways that I make money each month, and I'm just gonna take you through them by the ones that bring me the most income, and the number 7 one would be the one that brings me the least amount of income. So number 1, the biggest stream of income that I have coming in every month is my 9-to-5 job. That would be my teaching job. For those of you that don't know, I'm an elementary teacher. So that is the biggest form of income that I do have coming in, and that does require me to trade my time for my money. If I'm not going to work, I'm not getting paid for work. The second stream of income that I have is content writing and creating, what I'm doing right now here for you guys. So this does take me time, but it doesn't feel like I'm trading time for money because I can do it from anywhere and I can do it on my own schedule. So if I have a break here and there throughout the day, I'm jotting down ideas for content. On the weekends, that's when I do my recording. So it's very more laid back than a regular 9-to-5 job. So if that's something that you're interested in, there are a lot of people online who are looking for people to come up with content for them or to do some writing for them. People who want content for their brands or for their businesses, but they don't have the time or maybe the writing abilities to come up with content or writing pieces themselves. So if that is something that you're good at, there is a ton of jobs online that you can find for content writing and creating. The number 3 stream of income that I have coming in is on Upwork. So Upwork is kind of like Fiverr, but it's a little more like ritzy than Fiverr is. I feel like when I go on Fiverr to look for job postings, they're not as professional as they are on Upwork. There are a ton of companies on Upwork who aren't just looking for somebody to do one single job for them. They're looking for long-term employees. So if you're looking for jobs online, stay at home, Upwork is the place to go because you will be able to find more jobs than you can handle. And it's a wide variety of skills. Maybe you're good at data entry. You'll find thousands of jobs on Upwork for that. Maybe you're good at the writing. There's a ton of writing jobs. So for me personally, I like to use it for editing and proofreading. I have a background in literacy. I love grammar. I am the grammar Nazi that people talk about. So if I find myself with some free downtime, I'll go on Upwork and I will do some proofreading and editing. The 4th stream of income is through ebooks. Now, I have always wanted to be a writer, and I always felt like I was going to be a writer sometime in my life. Years ago, I had an idea for a book and I was trying to jot it down. It was a creative writing piece, and I realized I'm not really good with creative writing. I'm a lot better with content writing. So ebooks has allowed me to be able to self-publish my own topics very easily and create them very easily. And it's a stream of income where people can purchase your ebooks while you're sleeping. So you wake up and boom, there's some money coming in. If writing, content writing, making ebooks is something that you think you might want to do, be on the lookout, because in the very near future, I'm going to walk you guys through step by step how you can very easily make an ebook and then where you can post it for sale online. So hit that subscribe button right now if that's something you're interested in, and be on the lookout for that ebook training. The fifth stream of income that anyone can do and they don't need to trade the time for the money is affiliate links. So you kind of want to be careful with this one because you don't want to come across as spammy to your people. So you want to choose the brands or the companies to get affiliate links with that are ones that you actually use, you trust, and you enjoy, and that you would be just referring to your friends just on any given day, right? Like you don't want to have maybe an Instagram and then have it just full, bam, 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 affiliate link, affiliate link. That does not look good. You don't want to have a link to anything that you personally would not recommend to your friends or your family. So affiliate links are great because things that I do use every day and things that I'm telling people, hey, you really need to get this, get an affiliate link with them, post them to places that you have access to. Maybe it's on Facebook, maybe you have your own blog, maybe you have Instagram, maybe you have your own YouTube channel. You can put those affiliate links in there, and that is a great way to have an additional stream of income. Now, not all affiliate programs are created equal, so you're going to want to definitely look through their payments. Some affiliate links pay you less than $1 every time somebody purchases through it, and some affiliate links can pay you upwards to 20 to 40 bucks. So definitely do your research before you just start signing up for every single affiliate link that you can. The sixth stream of income that I have is through selling on Amazon. Now, I did say that my list was going in order with what brings me the most profit to the least profit, and you'll notice that Amazon is kind of lower on the bottom. Well, that's because I don't really pay myself much from Amazon. So what that means is when I get paid from Amazon, they might pay me $1,000. Well, I might have $500 that I have to pay off on my debit card from purchasing inventory, and then that additional $500, I'm not going to throw in my pocket, I'm going to reinvest it back into Amazon to buy more stuff to then resell and to keep my money going higher and higher each month. So I don't really profit a lot off of Amazon right now because everything is just getting reinvested back into the business. Because money does make money. That's another reason why you want to have a lot of streams of income. If you have a very fixed, limited budget, having a lot to sell on Amazon won't be something that you can do. So really, the more money you have, the more ways you can use that money to then make more money. And the seventh stream of income that I have is from selling leads lists. So I do have a group on Facebook called Amazon Hustlers. I don't charge very much for my leads list, and that's why it is the number 7 stream of income for me. I don't make a lot off of them. Really, I don't really make much at all because I pay people to be on my team to help me to source. So by selling these leads lists, especially for as cheap as I do, I don't put a ton back in my pocket, but it does help me to pay some of my sourcers. So it's a great source of income because it does help to compensate what I'm paying people to work for me each month. If leads list is something that you're interested in, having just a list handed to you of leads of things that you can buy, definitely jump into my group. I will link it below on Facebook. It's called Amazon Hustlers. It's not a spammy group at all. I'm not just in there every day selling leads lists. I only put one up maybe once or twice a month. And those lists only go to a top of 10 people. I don't want the list to get too saturated for people who buy them, so it's not something that I just give access to 100 people. So it's kind of like if you're in the group and interacting in the group, any questions you might have, put them in there. I'm in there every day helping people out and answering questions. And then now and again, I'll throw up a leads list. It's really first come, first serve, jump on it, and it's yours. So there you have it. Those are the 7 different streams of income that I have that helps me to make over $10,000 a month. A lot of them, I'm not trading my time for my money, and a lot of them are bringing me money really literally while I sleep. So if you're the type of person who you're just fed up living paycheck to paycheck, but you don't want to trade your time for money and have to get another 9-to-5 job, there are a ton of ways that you can be making additional streams of income that aren't going to take you a lot of time. That's all for this week. I will catch you guys next week on our newest video. See you then. Bye.